Okay, good. So today we're bringing you something a little bit different. So if you see there, that is my Western Digital Blue 1 TB. This is in my father's computer right now. We are formatting it. It is at 18%. If I get the flash away from it there, formatting 18%. Uh, it was uh, it was 6% free. So I think I had there was only like 50 something, yeah, 54 gigabytes free. So yeah, it was really full, and a lot of that was probably malware and stuff. And it was about time I did this. And now after that, we're going to do a fresh reinstall of Windows 8, then get Windows 8.1, and I can then redo the Windows 10 thing, because anyone who has Windows 7 or 8 can get a free upgrade to Windows 10. Here's the progress around 20 minutes later. It's now at 60%. It was at 19% if you didn't see it. So yeah, this should take another while, and then we'll be able to install the Windows again. And we'll be able to use the same key because it's not a motherboard change, so that makes it slightly easier. So yeah, I'll come back to you when this is completely done. So here we have my DVD rewriter. I'm just going to hook this up now, and as you can see in here, I have my hot swap leads hooked up here for the SATA power. Now I'm going to plug in my SATA data. Move my mouse out of the way. It's gonna be hard to do this now. There you go. That's in. And now I can just use this lead here. Should just go on like. Alright, so I have the hot swap lead in. Now I'm just gonna turn back here. So that means I can just take my Windows disk, open it like that, take my Windows 8 disk, and then just like put it in, pretty much. And then I can take it out when it's done. And there we go. So now we just have to wait for the hard drive to format. As you can see, the reason I'm putting my DVD rewriter here is because I wanted to keep the clean look of the front of my case, not to ruin it with this, since it's like brushed aluminium. Oh god, no. Okay, so now it's fully formatted. As you can see, if you see where it says percent free, you see 100%. Now it says 931.51 gigabytes. That's kind of the closest you can really get to a terabyte. You can't get it dot on, or at least not yet. We can't. So yeah, it says primary partition. It is completely free. So now I can go put my Windows on it and get my Grand Theft Auto 5 back. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna boot up my system. Turn it on. The LED's doing their thing again. Now, just open that. Don't mind about the LEDs. For some reason, they like to flash now rather than just staying on. And now, let me turn on both my screens. Since they're like identical screens, they will actually turn on using only one remote. I think that's. Now we're just gonna try and get up the launch settings. Okay, so we have everything set. Yes. I never realized how much the DVD rewriters actually like spin or actually vibrate. There we go. Okay, so now we can start the install. So, the language install, yeah, English, United Kingdom. I can change this to English Ireland, and then the Irish is the exact same as the English, so that doesn't actually matter, but I can change it to the UK version if I wanted to. United Kingdom. Next. Install now. Let's give this a bit of time to do its thing, and it should be okay. Now, we have to put in our activation key. We'll do that and then we'll come back. Okay, so now you click I accept the license terms. You can read it all if you want, but it's usually just like that. Yeah, so next. Custom. Because I don't have any files anymore. And then, yep, that's the only drive I have. Now we press next. Copy Windows files. I'm ready for the installation. Now we just give it a few minutes to get this done, and we'll come back to you. Okay, so the computer's got into its first restart. So all the Windows files are loaded in and stuff. And it took literally like 5 minutes, which I was really surprised about. Let me just press any button, there we go. Okay, so now that's done. As you can see, I'm in the process of personalizing my computer, so I can change all the colors I want. I kind of like that, so I'm gonna go with that. Now I have my PC named Samuel PC. Press next. Use Express settings. Address. Make sure that's right. That's right. And yeah. Press next. Checking for Microsoft account. Okay, so we have everything done. It's even activated. So now if we check for the updates, there should be quite a few, and then afterwards I can get my Windows 8.1. Check for updates now. I got that on its course. Okay, so now we're just gonna update Windows 8, and then we can get 8.1. Install now. And there. It should be installing the updates. Okay, so it's just starting the downloading the updates. It found 141 updates for Windows 8. It'll take a while to download, but it shouldn't take all that long. Then I can get 8.1, and I can get back to like playing my games and stuff. And sadly, I lost all the music I had for my gaming channel, but it's not all that much to lose it. And I didn't have I had about 10 songs. That was it. So yeah, just let this run its course. It's getting late in the evening though, so the light's gonna disappear soon. Sadly, but all we have to do is wait. All we can do is wait. So let's do that. So there you can see all the updates are done. It took quite a while. There were like 151 new updates, and I'm guessing they were all very big updates because they took a long time, nearly 2 hours, I think, or more than 2 hours. Yeah. So now I can restart the computer and I can get Windows 8.1, and uh, I can start getting all my new games. So I'm sorry the lighting's really bad, but it's like nearly 9 o'clock in the evening, so yeah, it's gonna be very dark. Well, not very, but relatively dark right now. So I'll go restart my computer and then I'll come back when I have Windows 8.1 installing. So if you see there, it says Windows 8.1. It's downloading, and now I did all the updates for 8.1. Now I can finally get I did all the updates for Windows 8. Sorry. Now I can get my Windows 8.1. I prefer Windows 8.1. It's a little bit easier to use. They really made 8 better when they launched 8.1. So yeah, and if you see a slight flashing light, I don't know if the camera probably won't pick it up, but my LED fan's acting weird. It's like flashing in the LED rather than just playing it normal. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, so as you can see, it's downloading. It's around 50% downloaded. If you're downloading, or if you're like installing Windows 8.1 like straight from the disk, you won't have to do this because obviously you'll already have 8.1. You'll just have to do, well, if you get it now, you'll have to do updates for 8.1. Most likely, I'm not sure. But yeah, I got my Windows 8 disk I think shortly after Windows 8.1 was released. That's why I have to do this. So, getting my PC ready. Getting the update ready. I have no idea what's happening downstairs. I think someone's trying to do the Delph, and it's really loud. But yeah, I'll come back to you when this is done. As you can tell, there's a lot of just like skipping because, well, I don't want to record for an hour in between. So yeah, I'll come back to you when this is done. Oh, whoops. My finger got in the camera. Anyway, as you can see, Windows 8.1 is setting up. It's on 71%. So it shouldn't take too long. Okay, so it finally got done with the setting up thing, and now I'm pretty sure they do this on purpose, but it's now setting up a few more things. So it got me excited, and then got me not excited anymore because now I have to sit through this. Although it was on like 3% about 50 seconds ago. So yeah, now it's stuck on 79. But anyway, when you get Windows 8 and you want to activate it, if you literally it'll say like you can be emailed, or you can put in your home phone number. If you put in your home phone number, they'll call you and they'll give you a code. They'll name it out twice. It's just an automated voice. Yeah. Windows will call you on your home phone. You can use your mobile as well, but we use the home phone is right in my room just because it's connected to our router, which is actually just behind there. Yeah, they'll name out the thing twice, and you can just type it in. It'll activate Windows for you. And yeah, it's a really easy system. I've actually used this code for Windows, I think maybe 4 times now. And if I switch to a new motherboard, it asks me how many computers I have it installed on. I say 1, and then I'll do the thing. Microsoft will call me and they'll give me another code to reactivate it, so it works. So you don't even have to buy Windows every single time, as long as you keep your disk, that is. So yeah, another thing, another reason I wanted to do this is because I'll be moving to Windows 10 whenever, like, the second it comes out, really, because I have my thing reserved. So I don't want to be bringing a ton of crap with me, like malware and whatnot. I want to move on to a new operating system, relatively like fresh. So so that's really why I did this, and also I'm just sick and tired of the loading and the crap, and it's so annoying. I should have done this the second I built the system, but I'm doing it now. I've only been using the system now for a week and a half or 2 weeks. I don't even think it's that long. It just feels like ages because I'm so used to it. So yeah, it's getting ready. Hopefully it's not getting ready to install more stuff, because I'm sick and tired of seeing the little yay. Alright, so I'm gonna use Express settings. Next, you'll set up your account. I already did this. Oh, you probably have to do it. So I'm just gonna as you can see, this is taking care of a few things while being very colorful at the same time. Let's start. That was a good timing for you to turn on the camera. Wow. Okay, well, no idea what just happened. Let's start and throw you right into the thick of it. First of all, what I'm gonna do, down here, search. Whoa, I just realized I'm pointing straight up. Now, just making sure that there's no updates. And there we go. So I can just down here unpin that from the taskbar. No. Okay, well, it's weird. Unpin that from the taskbar. You can stay there, and yeah. So now I'm gonna install some games, and I should be able to record them. Hopefully my Gaming Evolved app is still here. If it's not, well then I'm kind of screwed. So yeah, I'm gonna go download everything I need, and it'll probably be way too dark by the time I have everything. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below, or if you want to just have a chat, leave a comment down below. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.